What's up, family? I'm back with another update. The Ripple drop machine learning on RippleNet developers building on the XRPL and CBDCs on the XRP ledger. All right. In this fall 2021 edition of Ripple Drop, we explore machine learning potential on RippleNet, the exciting developer community that's building on the XRP ledger, and how central bank digital currencies work and why they can promote financial inclusion.
Got a really exciting show for you today. First up, we've got James Wallace talking to you about central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, and their impact on the XRP ledger. Then we've got Ripple's head of engineering, Devraj Vardhan, who's going to talk to you about machine learning on the RippleNet platform. And then last but not least, we've got everyone's favorite developer advocate, Matt Hamilton. The organization is super diverse and its work is incredibly multifaceted. What's your favorite thing about being its leader?
Yeah, thanks for having me here. What I love about leading our team and being part of our team are the people here and how focused they are at waking up every day in the morning and working on things that impact people's lives. That's what they care deeply about. And how they go about doing that is also equally inspiring to me. Like, they take the time to understand the customers deeply and then use that information to invent really hard problems where there are no off-the-cuff solutions, make a meaningful impact on our customers' lives. That's what they focus on. That's the part of that builder mentality is something that I enjoy.
Can you talk to me about the idea of incorporating machine learning into the RippleNet platform and what that might entail?
Our customers rely on us to serve their customers really well from a liquidity perspective. All of our customers require liquidity. In order to make liquidity available globally, anytime, anywhere, is very, very key to delivering a fantastic customer experience. That is where we apply a lot of machine learning today. And to go do that in a way where it's a stochastic problem, to actually go and predict customer demand will be in a global manner, on a day-to-day basis as well as in a longitudinal basis. It's a very nuanced problem, but at a high level, what we are really focused on is how much liquidity, where they need it, when they need it, so that we are able to deliver that to our customers at the optimal cost. That's where we apply machine learning. That's one of the use cases today.
So for our customers watching, what kind of benefits might we see from incorporating machine learning into the platform? Can we see faster transactions, cheaper transactions?
Yes, both of that. And I think the other key aspect of it is, as I was saying earlier, given the nature of the problem, things change on a dynamic basis, on a daily basis. How do we ensure that when they rely on us, we have the liquidity available to them is a big multifaceted problem on its own. And to be able to do that consistently, durably, one of the things that we continue to focus on, obsess over it, is to how do we lower our cost structure so that we can pass that back to them. So from a customer perspective, the two key benefits are speed, as you said, availability on demand, anytime, anywhere, 24/7. And to do all of that in the best possible price manner, that's where we focus on, and we pass on all our cost savings back to our product and our customers.
So what stage in development are we in right now? How soon could machine learning be operational?
All these machine learning models, they're in different stages of development today. Some are already in our pre-production environment, making critical business decisions for us. And in the coming months, in October and November, there are several key launches coming up. The problem that Ripple is solving on behalf of our customer, these are not a said and done problem. We view launching as a starting line rather than a finish line. So we incrementally roll out, we learn from it. And in my experience, I've never seen any one single launch has knocked the problem for our customers. We continue to keep iterating on it. That's where we are. You would see, in addition to this year, you would see us continue to focus on it next year as well.
So for all those engineers out there watching this episode and thinking, wow, this work is incredibly exciting, I want to work with the RippleNet team and the Ripple engineering team, what advice would you have for them?
What has helped us, and in talking to various Ripplers here on what makes them successful and enjoy, is really having that builder mindset. You always continue to tinker. because these are problems where you're not going to find answers in a textbook. You have to have that kind of dealing with ambiguity, being prepared to continuously improve the product. And more importantly, you do all of that because of your customer obsessed focus here. That's very, very key. There is very little, here is the spec, go build it. It's all about, here's the problem we want to solve. Let's work together to solve. So having that curiosity, having the tinkering and builder mindset is very, very key.
Matt, before joining Ripple, obviously you were with IBM, but outside of work, you were an active member of the XRP community. What made you interested in joining that community and then eventually working for Ripple?
Well, it's a funny story, Ron. I kind of accidentally got into the XRP community. Previously, I'd been involved in a lot of open source development, and between jobs, somebody had actually given me some XRP about 5 years ago. And as a programming exercise, I actually started writing something against the XRP ledger just to kind of test it out. And it turned out to be, so easy. And the XRP ledger's got a built-in decentralized exchange. And I wrote something to try trading against that. And it worked fantastically. And I wasn't aware of any blockchains that had things like the capability of the XRP ledger. And that kind of drew me in. And I started using it. And then I saw the opportunity to come and join Ripple. And it was kind of like a fantastic chance.
What qualities of the XRP ledger are attractive to developers?
The great thing with the XRP ledger is it's so fast, and that's great for people who are transacting on it, but it's also great for developers, right? If I write something and make a transaction I'm testing on the XRP ledger, I get the results back, in seconds. So that actually makes it much easier and much quicker for me to actually develop things against the XRP ledger. And there's a whole different slew of languages and APIs you can interact with. So whether it's Python, JavaScript, or Java, or you want to connect directly using the REST or WebSocket APIs, there's lots of different ways to interact with the XRP ledger. So, it's very easy to program against. And I think much easier than some of the other blockchains because you don't have to worry about, I've placed a transaction, now I've got to wait for an hour for it to confirm. I can get confirmation back very quickly. So it actually makes the whole flow of programming much simpler.
As you guys heard that video there from RippleNet, machine learning. Ripple is the fastest. It's the fastest interoperable system in the world. Okay, with Ripple remaining in consolidation for the past 2 weeks, Sentiment has provided on-chain data that shows a significant divergence between price action and network activity, which is usually considered a volatility signal. The network activity indicators are usually strongly correlated with the price of an asset. With the rapid increase of the asset's value, traders and investors tend to move their funds more for various reasons, including selling on exchanges, payments, or redistribution. The same rules applies to XRP. On the network activity price chart, we can clearly witness the movement order between the two metrics. The higher the network activity is, the greater the chance of volatile movements on the trading pair. Get ready for an explosion. We are ready to ride this wave. Family, once again, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and support this channel. See you guys in the next clip.